Y'all, I'm on my way to pick up this new rear end.
It'll get cold in the summer and shit get hot in the winter. Shit get hot. Yeah. Shit get hot. SEO get cold in the summer and shit get hot in the winter. Your brothers cap, they pretenders. My brothers capping with blenders. He tried to swerve, clap his fender. Them niggas rats, master splinter. 30 deep the gang, I'm a member. Bitch, I'ma make you remember. SEO get cold in the summer and shit get hot in the winter. Your brothers cap, they pretenders. My brothers capping with blenders. He tried to swerve, clap his fender. Them niggas rats, master splinter. 30 deep the gang, I'm a member. Bitch, I'ma make you remember. JB from CN, that's my little cousin. Call him Mad Max. Pistol P was mad that he ain't flip him, so he smashed back. Hop out with that oil and let off 30, they ain't blast back. Every label want me.
Random make the track, so you know we bout to turn up.
At the shop now. I'll put in my rear end. Take this one out, put in a new one. Yeah, everything. Seem like I got everything though. Yeah. So you gotta remove the whole exhaust system.
Yeah,
from the long tubes down. Oh damn, look at my gaskets. Yeah, move the whole exhaust system. Drop it down so you can drop out the carrier. Pop the axles out with a pry bar. Take off the nut that's right here. And when I drop it down, I gotta drop this thing down too. When I drop it down, I gotta change out the little drive shaft. Popping YouTube, I'm back, my bad about that. Saturday, I did not finish, so I had to wait till Monday to finish the install of the rear diff. But it's all put back together, and I'm gonna change my tune to change up the gears and stuff. Be tuning it with the Diablo. Turn the car off, I'm tripping. Turn that thing on. This process take a little minute. Axle ratio. Y'all know which one I picked. Oh shit. 306s. There we go. Gotta turn it off. I really need to fix that. If y'all know somewhere who sell bezels, let me know. Look at that. Turn back off. There we go. Change that up. Boop. Boop. Go back, apply it. And that's it. I'm on 306s. Test drive now. Man, look good, boy. Work. First test drive with the new rear end. I got new axles, new diff, and a drive shaft. Test drive real fast. residential street or neighborhood, whatever you want to call it. Just act like I ain't doing nothing. After doing some testing and some, I guess, butt dynos or whatever you want to call it, butt torque. It's basically a reading from my ass. No homo. A reading from my ass. Oh, if you know, if my car got faster, feel faster, whatever you want to call it. But overall, the thing is pulling way harder. Way harder. Like, would I redo this mod? No, I wouldn't redo it, honestly, because that shit dead. First time pulling the diff for that, nah. If I go with bigger gears down the line, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna send it to a shop. Here, y'all deal with it. I ain't messing with it. Cause I ain't no pump faking. This install, low key whooped my ass. I ain't gonna lie, I don't care. I installed the cam, I did all of that stuff. Long tube headers, but by far, I do not like pulling the axle and pulling the diff. Hell nah. I gotta drop the drive shaft. Hell nah. Never again. Never, ever, ever again. That's for the birds. Straight up. For real, overall. These gears nice. I'm accelerating way faster than what I usually accelerate as, where it was, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going way faster though, and I'm fucking with it. I gotta play around with it, you know, beat it a little bit, break it in, do it in, whatever you want to call it, you know. But, oh yeah, by the way, I got some new seats coming this weekend. I'm gonna pick them up from the same guy who I bought this rear diff from, and my 6.1 intake, bro. Like, I ain't gonna pump fake it. He throwing me deals, deals, shit, anything but bills. I'm giving his ass the bills, his ass. But nah, I'm picking up 6.1 seats, the bucket seats. They all black, you know. I ain't gonna tell y'all the price though. Just know it's cheap. Just know it's less than $200. Just know that. I'm back at the crib. I started washing the seats, and they cleaned up real nice, like real nice. It's not cleaned down and everything. This one is too. These the other ones, how bad they look in the back seat. Stain look horrible, trifling, just ugh. But I'm gonna finish watching these probably tomorrow. I may even finish tonight, you never know. But I'm gonna really clean that thing. I'm gonna bleach that. That shit is horrible. But yeah, that's how I look. You know, I'm gonna throw these two front seats up in there in like 10 minutes, and I'll show y'all how I look. What's up, YouTube? This the finished product. Sorry that it's dark. I kind of forgot to give y'all an update, but these are back seats. Look suede. Yeah. Look way better than when I first got them. But yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all later.